So, did Jesus ever claim to be God in the Bible?
Yes, he did. Revelation chapter 1 verse 8, Jesus calls himself the Almighty.
Alright, so where does he say, I am God, or where does he say, worship me? He never says that.
Okay, if somebody says they're God, there's no need to say worship me because God already is implied to be worshipped. So if Jesus says he's God, he doesn't have to say worship me. Revelation chapter 1 verse 8, you asked me a question, I gave you the answer. Jesus says he's the Almighty. John chapter 8 verse 58, Jesus says, before Abraham was, I am. What does that mean? Tell me.
Did Jesus die on the cross?
Did you answer my question or no? So you didn't even listen to my... What did I say? You're not even listening, bro.
Did Jesus die on the cross?
Did Jesus die on the cross?
Did he die on the cross?
Yeah, he did.
Alright, so was that the flesh? Is that part of the Trinity or no?
Yeah, his flesh died on the cross, but his spirit was risen up, it says.
Alright, but since that flesh is part of the Trinity,
The flesh is not part of the Trinity, the spirit is.
So who died for you then?
Jesus in the human form.
Is he still God? Was he still God?
Jesus is God.
So is he 100% man or